Hello and welcome everybody. It's SQQQ on 28th November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's start. So, according to what we want here from SQQQ, this is going to be about the price that we want to show. Okay, if we went for this price, it's going to be about 1 week update movement. However, this is tradition of what we see in this movement. So let's see how many parties that can be required to let it increase in momentum. It needs about 3 months to increase. Okay. Second thing, it has the lowest value on this part, 2045 USD since it decreased from this value. Okay, this was very huge value, the highest value that was in stock. All the stocks between them is triple is QQQ here stock. Okay, how you benefit from this video.